Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the Weather 3D Modeler. In this video, we're gonna make the Direhowl from the game Palworld. Okay, let's get started. This is the reference image I will use to make it, and a wolf in reference image to make the base body shape. First, add a cube with the mirror and a subdivision modifier. Then line up the mesh according to the reference image. Then smooth it with Control 1, that is a shortcut key to add subdivision to any object. Then we have to extrude out from the mesh and make the main body, base body, and then line up according to reference image. Now move the back face with proportionality a little inwards to make the shape like that, a little fat from the inside and then a little thin from the front and back side. First make the base shape, then grab in the original images of Direhowl and then set it accordingly. Set one by one. Okay, now it is looking good from downside as well, from up and downside as well. And now we have to extrude out the legs, but first add a looper, then extrude out the face, extrude out from the mouth, and then extrude it one more time from the top head, and then from front top view move it a little inwards and then smooth it. Now select the bottom faces like this, insert them and extrude it, make it round and rotate it, place them correctly, and then extrude it one more time and a couple of times more to extrude it, make the whole leg. And then we have to double extrude it to make the feet like that. Remember to save your work and make it round from every side. Extrude it down from the very bottom and extrude the faces individually to make the feet like that, and then Alt S to scale and set them like that. Then we have to place the fingers a little next to them. Then dissolve the front faces and Alt S to make the shape like that. Extrude it, make the top faces a little to the up, and then select the edges to make it round from the top as well. Then select these edges and now shape is looking good. Select the front faces, duplicate them, extrude them, make the nails like that. Move them down to make it point sharp look from every side, and then we don't need that much big nails. Scale them and move them a little back. And duplicate the nails and the leg part and move it to the back to make the same leg to the back side as well. Now do the same thing, insert it, rotate it and then place it, but we need to bridge them to make it as single piece. Like this, convert it to circle and then bridge them. Like that. Nice. This is looking good. Now add one loop cut in the middle to make it good shape. Okay. Now set it and smooth it from all sides, like from the bottom and from the back. Like that. Then round some edge loops, and then now we have to extrude out the tail. Select the back face, insert it and extrude it. Make the tail according to the reference image. Extrude and scale, and then we are done. To make a pointy shape from the very end, select these edges and duplicate them. Don't duplicate them, subdivide them and then extrude them individually, just like this. Make the pointy shape from the tail end of the tail, just like this. Now select these edges, move them close to each other mirror is applied, so we have to make it in the middle. Now set the shape of the mesh from the side view as well. Move them a little up, and now we are done. Okay. Now we have to extrude out the ears. Make the ears a little pointy from the very top. Add a looker to give it a sharp look, just like this. Select side face, move it a little to the side, make it smooth, and then insert these faces and extrude it inwards to make the ear. Remember to save your work, and then also keep the geometry clean and correct. Okay, body is looking good. Now we have to add details by adding some hair to this Direhowl. Okay, now we have to add hair by selecting some faces and duplicating them, and then make the hair shape like this. But first I forgot to make the nose. Make the nose with the front face, duplicate it, and then shape it like this. Extrude it inwards to give it the shape of the nose, like that. Make it pointy from the bottom, like that. Move the upper edge a little to the side, and now we have to make the hair. Duplicate the side face and then extrude it and duplicate it a couple of times to make it from the around the whole head, just like this. Now place them correctly and make it pointy from the hair and end of the hair. Scaling and placing them is important. Then we will get what we want and a lot better model. Now scale them to give a little look from the front view as well. Now duplicate the hair and move it to the top of the head. Delete the faces and then move it on the top of the head. Make it circle, extrude it, and make the point shape from the bottom of the hair. And then move it up and make the shape like. Place it correctly, rotate it, and we are done. Scale them, place them, and this is looking much better. Move them a little to the down and move the head vertex a little to the up. Now we have to do the same thing to the legs as well. Duplicate it one time, and then we are done with the back hair as well. Only one hair we need to make, then it will do the rest of the work. Like we will duplicate the same hair to the whole body. Only we need to do is to set them according to the shape of the body. Okay, now duplicate the same faces and make it next to the neck, and then scale them. Make it pointy a little to the bottom and duplicate the same to the whole of around the neck, just like that. Scale them, place them, and that's the main thing. And then we increase the edges to give it some sharp shape from side and from the top. Now duplicate the hair from the top and make it to the front, just like that. Make it inwards, duplicate the same hair a little to the side and make it next to the middle one, just like this. We increase some edges to give it sharp edge shape, and we increase the vertex to give it some pointy sharp shape of the hair. This is looking good. Now duplicate it a couple of times and hairing is done. Now we need to color it. I will color the whole body black, and then color the feet and paw pink like this, and then do the same thing to the back feet as well, and color the ears the same color, and for the legs I will use the white color. Okay, now this is the main work. Select some edges and deselect with checker select, move it down and increase the vertex. Now we have to set the vertices, move it outside and maintain the shape by moving them a little around the body, just like that. Do the same thing to the back side as well, just like this. Now we have to repeat the same to the whole body. Just like that. Now we will repeat the same work to the tail and to the face and the hair on the neck. Now color the hair white, which are white, and color them black, which are black from top and white and back. Now color the bottom side white, but first we need to join the vertices, then make the shape like this. And select the faces, we want them white, then color them white as well. Then smooth out some areas by selecting them and select the faces we don't want, and then color them black. And now do the same thing, make the sharp point shape from the tail as well, just like this. Okay, and now remember to save your work. Now make the same thing for the face as well. Now join the vertices and color them white and black. But remember to maintain the shape of the main body shape. Okay, now we have to color them white, just like that. Okay, now color them a little much white like this, and move them, slide the vertices a little from to the front, and remember to maintain the shape. Now we are getting the Direhowl with completeness, but we have to color the hair white too, but we have to make the eyes as well. We increase this edge and make sharp from the upper side of the eye, and I will make this eyes a little shrink wrap to the body like that, and scale them, make the base shape, then shrink wrap and do the rest of the work. I will duplicate the face and then make the eyeballs of the Direhowl. Just like that. Now duplicate the face, color it yellow, and duplicate it again and color it black. And then remember to shrink wrap it up on each other, like the main eye and yellow on the top, and then black on the yellow. Just like this, place them correctly and shrink wrap it, set the offset as it looks good, and then save your work again. We are done with the Direhowl. remember to set the eye correctly. Like that. I set the shape of the main eye and it is looking good now. Okay, now this is the main shape of the hair from the face and the eye as well. And now do the same thing for the eyes as well. Then apply the shrink wrap of the eyes and then join them as one piece. But first place them on the correct position of eye and then save your work. We are done, almost done with that. And then color the hair like this, and then more white we need, and then save your work again. Okay guys, this is the video of Direhowl making. In the next video we will continue making more pals like this. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love.